Hello everybody, this is Adam, and this is going to be the new chakra analysis elements for the throat chakra. I did the new elements for the previous 4 chakras. Go ahead and check those out at your leisure. We're going to first start off with the new definition of this chakra. The throat chakra is the 5th chakra, and it is the first of the higher or spiritual chakras on the chakra ladder. This chakra is located in the region of the neck and shoulders, and its color is blue. The gift of this chakra is accepting your originality, expressing your authentic voice, and speaking your truth. The energy of this chakra allows you to seek knowledge that is true, beyond limitations of space and time, beyond cultural and family conditioning. The main challenge for the 5th chakra is doubt and negative thinking. When you gain and verify your knowledge through meditation and direct experience, then doubt and negativity are removed. So a great chakra to at least have healthy. But first, let's talk about what are the characteristics that make this chakra unhealthy. They/you find it hard to express their/your emotions in a healthy way. Do they/you struggle to verbalize their/your thoughts? Do they/you feel nervous when trying to share their/your emotions or opinions? Do they/you aggressively push their/your opinions onto others? Do they/you constantly feel ignored or misunderstood by others? Do they/you feel shy around others? Do they/you keep a lot of secrets and from others for fear of not being accepted? Do they/you find it hard to be their/your authentic self? Do their/your actions go against their/your words? Do they/you feel almost paralyzed when doing public speaking? Be kind of weird for any of the people that I do for public speaking have an issue, but sometimes you will get that. What are the healthy characteristics of a throat chakra? They/you are able to communicate well and with confidence. They/you are overall confident in their/your authentic self. They/you can share your opinions in a healthy manner. They/you will have a great sense of timing. They/you have the propensity to create projecting ideas and blueprints into reality. So a lot of it is very much the authentic self and speaking. I just get tongue-tied for some god-awful reason. I have no idea why that happens to me. It happens a lot. But what are some solutions to help yourself or the subject for the chakra analysis to heal the throat chakra? Hum or chant hum. So it's hum. It looks like ham, but it's hum. Eat more of these foods. Blueberries, blackberries, blue grapes, or like regular grapes, which are like the light ones. But anything that has like that blue color, that blue tint, that's where you want to go for. Sound healing. So this is gong. So listen to a gong. Tuning forks or singing bowls. It's a very relaxing. It's also one of those hurts things. Start journaling your thoughts. Inwardly saying thank you to life. Listen carefully. Don't just hear somebody, listen to them. Screaming and laughing catharsis. Sing to yourself. Meditate with the following crystals: blue kenite, Larimer, Tanzanite, and azurite. Spend time in silence. And finally, we're going to go through the affirmations for this chakra. So as you're meditating, go ahead and do these in your head. I am open, clear, and honest in my communication. I have a right to speak my truth. I communicate my feelings with ease. I express myself creatively through speech, writing, or art. I have a strong will that lets me resolve my challenges. I nourish my spirit through creativity. I live an authentic life. I have integrity. I love to share my experiences and wisdom. I know when it's time to listen. I express my gratitude towards life. I listen to my body and my feelings to know what my truth is. I take good care of my physical body. I am at peace. I want to thank you all for listening. If you did enjoy this video, remember to like this video, comment down below on your thoughts, and also let me know down below in the comments on who should I cover first with this new criterion in place. Share this video with your friends, especially the ones who might need to hear it, and subscribe to Keys to Your Crown, and also turn on those post notifications so you don't miss a video. And check out all the links in the description down below, and I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day.